everyone, this is Rupal Purohit and today we have Vishal Mishra. So he has sung many songs and he has composed also. So welcome to Cine Speaks.
It's my pleasure. Thank you.
Congratulations. वो कैसे हुआ?
Thank you so much.
It is hit यार, बहुत चल रहा है. Like personally मेरा favorite हो गया कबीर सिंह देखने के बाद.
You have seen the film?
Yes.
Do you like the film?
Yes.
Oh, lovely.
It is amazing movie.
Lovely.
So
He also likes it. He has the Kabir Singh logo on his t-shirt.
So what was your reaction जब कबीर सिंह इतनी प्यारी मूवी है इसके लिए आपको ऑफर हुआ ये सॉन्ग गाने के लिए? इतना प्यारा सॉन्ग.
See, मैं इससे पहले नोटबुक कर रहा था.
हाँ.
Which was with Cineone and Murad sir and Ashwin sir were the producer of the film and Salman sir was the producer of the film. तो उस फिल्म के दरमियान हमें बताया गया कि you have to work on a film called Kabir Singh and शाहिद हैं इसमें और कियारा हैं. Then I met Sandeep who is the director of the film and because I know the team so well and it's the same team working on the other film as well. So that connect was beautiful and I feed off the energies that the person sitting in front of me has. So baat shuru hui, then I heard the script, I saw some visuals and I was taken aback by the sheer vulnerability of it. It was too beautiful and there is a sense of sound and it's a love story and I think it's an unapologetic love story which I really connect to. So then we started talking about the situations and they had already made songs. दो गाने जो मुझे दो सिचुएशंस जो उन्होंने मुझे बताई, एक थी जहाँ पे पहली बार लड़की को वो देखता है और उससे मोहब्बत हो जाती है. एंड आई थिंक वी ऑल हैव गॉन थ्रू दैट इमोशन एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इन आवर लाइफ वेयर वी फॉल इन लव फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. और जब आपको मोहब्बत होती है तो सब कुछ अच्छा खुशबू आने लगती है हर जगह से. यू फील अ स्पेशल फ्रेग्रेंस ऑल अराउंड यू एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट ही फील्स व्हेन इन द फिल्म कबीर वॉचेस प्रीति. So I felt really lucky that I got to reconnect to a feeling that I had some 6-7 years back in my college and it's just beautiful how fresh it is and how vulnerable that feeling is because when you are in love your priorities suddenly become they change and it's all very personal, you know. So it's very crazy and I feel really lucky कि मुझे उस तरीके का एक गाना बनाने का मौका मिला जिसमें सिर्फ सीधी बात हो रही है, जिसमें मोहब्बत की बात हो रही है and the audience has reacted so beautifully to it and I feel really grateful and gratitude.
Can you please sing few lines of the song?
Yes, I can. Which is your favorite part of the song?
कैसे हुआ the whole phrase that is
बारिश की बोली समझता नहीं था, हवाओं से मैं यूं उलझता नहीं था, है सीने में दिल भी कहाँ थी मुझे ये खबर. कहीं पे हो रातें कहीं पे सवेरे आवारगी रही साथ मेरे. ठहर जा ये कहती है तेरी नजर. क्या हाल हो गया है मेरा, आंखें मेरी हर जगह ढूंढे तुझे बेवजह. ये मैं हूँ या कोई और है मेरी तरह. तू इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ, कैसे हुआ, कैसे हुआ, तू इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ.
मूवी में तो सुना सॉन्ग और अभी लाइव सुन के तो बहुत अच्छा लगा और हार्ट टचिंग हो गया सॉन्ग.
थैंक यू सो मच.
तो आपने एक और सॉन्ग गाया कबीर सिंह में which is not sung by, like you have written that song but it is not sung by you.
Yeah, it's composed by me, it's sung by Arman. It's called पहला प्यार in the audio, but film में मेरी आवाज़ में है वो गाना because my director felt a sense of connect with my voice, so उन्होंने हमारी आवाज़ इस्तेमाल करी फिल्म में. बट ऑडियो में अरमान की आवाज़ है. उस गाने का नाम है पहला प्यार, जिसको लिखा है इरशाद कामिल साहब ने. मैं अपने आप को बहुत लकी समझता हूँ कि एक फिल्म में जब आपको मनोज मुंतशिर और इरशाद कामिल जैसे स्टॉलवर्ड्स के साथ काम करने का मौका मिलता है. आई थिंक आई फील रियली ब्लेस्ड ऑन दैट पार्ट. सो ही हैज़ रिटन आई थिंक इट्स द फर्स्ट सॉन्ग एवर इन दिस कंट्री विच इज़ अबाउट two people being in love but they are not together. It's a song on long distance relationships, and I feel that is the purest form of love, because you're not together yet you're in love with each other, and I think it requires a lot of loyalty and purism, which a long distance relationship has. So I was glad to make a song on that as well.
You compose also, you sing as well. So
Yeah.
do you face any kind of challenge? Like, what is easy or difficult for you? I know it is tough question to ask, but still.
नहीं, एक्चुअली कोई चैलेंज नहीं है, एंड अगर कोई चैलेंज नहीं होगा तो काम करने में आसानी नहीं है. मुझे लगता है एवरीथिंग दैट यू डूइंग हैज़ टू रिक्वायर अ सेंस ऑफ हार्ड वर्क एंड अ सेंस ऑफ डिस्कम्फर्ट. एंड आई थिंक जब आप अनकम्फर्टेबल होते हो तब आपका बेस्ट निकल के आता है. एंड आई थिंक आई हैव enjoyed making music for Kabir Singh, and it shows in the way you make it. I think you should just say it from the soul, say it from the heart, and it hits the people in the heart. And the way people have reacted, I think we have succeeded in the intention that we had. So yeah, very
Okay,
good.
talking about the success, like you just said,
Yeah.
so you were first appeared on a reality show which
Yeah.
was aired on DD National.
Oh yes.
It was so long back. So
Yeah, very long
तभी
back.
DD National बहुत चलता था, और अभी तो रियलिटी शोज के लिए तो बहुत
Yeah,
चैनल्स
yeah,
आ गए हैं, बहुत
yeah,
अच्छे. तो
yeah.
व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन इट, और आपका जर्नी कैसा रहा तब से?
ये सपने जैसा है. मैं बहुत ही हम्बल मिडिल क्लास बैकग्राउंड से आता हूँ, जहाँ पे आपसे अगर कोई पूछता है कि आपको क्या करना है फ्यूचर में, और आप बोलते हैं कि आपको म्यूज़िक करना है, तो बोलते हैं वो तो ठीक है, करना क्या है.
हाँ.
तो वहाँ से यहाँ तक का सफ़र जहाँ पे आप सब बैठे हुए हैं, आई एम श्योर यू गाइज अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई मीन टू से. It's crazy, and I salute everybody, not just a musician, but anyone who does what he wants or she wants. If you have decided to do this and you're doing this today, I'm proud of you, you know. It's a beautiful feeling, because when you do something that belongs to you, it requires a lot of hustle in life, and it requires a lot of hard work, you know. And when you achieve it, I think every individual should be proud of it. And from there to here, it's been all like a dream. I live it like a dream. I breathe music, I eat music, and I don't have anything else to do. I work for 20 hours, I sleep for 3. It's crazy that I feel 24 hours or less in a day, you know. So it's that kind of a space that I am in right now. And वहाँ पहले गाना, मेरा फर्स्ट फिल्म, आई एट टाइम्स फील लॉ कर रहा था मैं. एक उत्तर प्रदेश का लड़का बॉम्बे आता है, पहली फिल्म तमिल करता है, फिर तेलुगु करता है, फिर कन्नड़ा करता है, फिर मराठी करता है, मराठी करने के बाद हिंदी करता है, हिंदी पहली फिल्म टाइगर श्रॉफ के साथ होती है. Then I go on, and now I'm in Hindi, and I'm some 20 songs old now, and the kind of love that I get for every song that I make, my listeners. और म्यूज़िक बनाने का मकसद ये है कि लोग म्यूज़िक सुने तो उन्हें ऐसा लगे कि ये मेरा म्यूज़िक है. It should be comforting to them, and कोई बात नहीं, it should be comforting to them, and I feel absolutely blissful when people react to music and they give love. It's very satisfying.
So many times it happens in movies को इतना hype नहीं मिलता है, but songs को hype मिलता है because of the music. So do you agree with that?
No, I think it's all interconnected. When you're making music for a film, the film has to work also. At times the songs are really beautiful, but the film doesn't work. At times the songs are not so good, but the film works and the song works also. So Kabir Singh is an example where the songs have also done well and the film has also done well. In that case, सबको फायदा होता है. Producer को फायदा होता है, director को फायदा होता है. Every crew and cast gets the benefit out of it, and I feel that we all who are connected to who are connected to Kabir Singh, the whole team Kabir Singh, we all are very, very happy and in a very good space right now.
Is there any other actor with whom you would like to sing, or
I'm-
for whom you would like to sing?
I am a very greedy man. I want to work with everybody. It's a lot of things are happening this year. I've been lucky enough to work with the best, and I've met the right people at the right time, I guess. And you know, I've been surrounded with such beautiful souls, and I just hope that whatever I make comes from my heart. And till God has given me this opportunity, I can extend it to other people as well who want to do something in music. And I want to play a part in someone's life, whether it's by making a song or by doing something, by singing a song. And I hope it goes on, and I do as much as I can.
Okay. When can we listen your next song, or which song you are coming
So
up with?
right now Kabir Singh fever is going on. After this, I'm doing a film called Jabariya Jodi.
Okay.
And it's a film that I've made some very different music for, and Arijit and me are coming back after a long time, and he has done a song for me there. And then I'm doing this film for Tushar Hiranandani, who's the director of the film. It's called Sand Ki Aankh. I've been working on it for the past 2 years now, Bhumi and Tapsi, so वो भी हो रहा है. So a lot of music is happening this year and I'm just hoping कि ये जो मेरा और मेरी listeners का, मेरे fans का जो connect है, ये connect बरकरार रहे और मैं ऐसा music बना सकूं जो लगे मेरे लोगों को कि ये उनका music है ना. I just hope this connect goes on.
Thank you so much and
Thank you.
wish you luck ahead.
Thank you so much.